I am Eden Alonso Carrero, a second-year English student at the Bicentennial University of Aragua. This video constitutes the second summative activity for the course. The activity focuses on comparative adjectives and their structure. 1. Comparative of equality are used to indicate that two things are equal in a certain characteristic. The basic structure is as, adjective, as. Example, she is as tall as her brother. According to Eastwood, 2002, this structure is fundamental for expressing direct similarity between two subjects or elements. 2. Comparative of inferiority are used to indicate that one thing is less in a certain characteristic than another. The basic structure is less, adjective, then. Example, this book is less interesting than the other one. Eastwood notes that this form of comparison is essential for highlighting differences where one subject or element has less of quality than another. 3. Comparative of the superiority are used to indicate that a thing is more in a certain characteristic than another. There are two main structures depending on the long on the adjective. Short adjective up here, then. Example, she is taller than her brother. Long adjective, use more adjective than. Example, this book is more interesting than the other one. According to Eastwood, comparative of superiority are crucial for expressing how one subject or element stand out to greater degree compared to another. 4. Irregular comparatives. Some adjectives have irregular comparative forms that do not follow the previous roles. Examples: got to better. This food is better than that one. But worse. His performance was worse than last year. Eastwood explains that the regular form must be memorized as they do not follow the common rules of forming comparatives.